All right. Catch you later. I'm going to open up Windsurf. Whoa. Forget I did that. That link, that announcement I just posted, it is the most amazing app for holding all your links for everything. It shows when I'm live on YouTube, shows when I'm live on Twitch, has all the links that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right. Where were we on the music front? Ease. Sega. It's a winner. It's a winner. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. Oh, This is why you don't let the good overlay happen. It's been a bad idea since the get-go, and now I've just found a way to make it even worse. One copyright infringement. So I think I'll have a redeem to impersonate Foolbox. I got it because I wanted a Jeep. I wanted something that I could take the top off of that wouldn't talk back. I cannot make word come say blah 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 blah. I really hope that I had that muted. My hand was right on the button. Did I not have that muted? Excuse me. Oh my god. Like you're talking with Captain. Let me see if I could do my Captain impression. I am not the Captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the Captain.
Thanks, JD, folks. Be sure to give JD some love.
He's so fluffy. The mailroom, coming soon to a nightmare near you. There we go. Absolutely. Check it out. Okay. Flashlight's on. Stun. Ooh, breaking the pot. Breaking the pot. Golden skeleton. He must have taken a golden shower. So, yeah. We need a magnet or a suck shrine. Oh, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Not I mean, shit. Bye. Bye. He's like a fainting goat. Dun dun dun. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Man on the moon. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Not really getting a shadow from the fire, are we? Oh shit! You win this time, City. It's as bad as ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. All right, back to coding. Back to Drupal plus Godot equals, huh? Welcome in. Welcome in, Greenbread. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. We're getting going today. I think today I want to learn more about how to use the Drupal AI stuff. At least in Drupal. Ooh, haven't seen that one in a while. All right, let's just do it this way. Ooh. Claude. Oh, I didn't make it. I wish I had, but that was made by Andy Lippy and the Stream Up team. Let's see. I don't think I have a command for Stream Up. Maybe I should. No, I don't. I don't. Oh yeah, that's all I do. Like, here, let me. All right. Well, check this out. Let me drop a message in the Discord here. Oh, what's that do? Where is it? Yeah, I don't care. There we go. All right, but there are a lot of really cool things here. This is one that I'm using, the Game Lad. You know, God damn it.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, hi, Captain Krabs. Greenbread, did you go to that page to see like if the images are actually working for you? I don't know if it's just me or not. Okay, good. I left a message in the Stream Up Discord about it. More. Just got confirmation. The only thing that I can think of is to check your site settings and delete any cookies or anything that might be there. Like, I wonder if I log in here. Nope. There's no errors here either. Let me see if I... The best way is, like, if you go to itch, if you're using Chrome, then right here is the site settings, view site information. You can check cookies and site data. That's one thing. You could clear that out. You'll have to re-log in. Or you could just clear it all. Darn. Going there, site settings, and then delete data here. But again, you're going to have to re-log in. I don't think it has, let me. Pause that on site. No, okay, good. Not just that. All right. Yeah, I'm sorry. I can't really do a lot of. Can't really help out there. I apologize. How to use it with the what? With the what? With the what? Okay, there we go. Oh. Okay, it's building this out. Okay, so we're going to install the AI module here. And then AI agents admin. Okay, that does AI agents. Okay. Great, great, great. Good job. Good job. What was it? AI provider, AI agents, admin. Okay. Whatever, that's fine. Keys, add a key. Okay, so I'm doing some stuff on the backside, but I need to hide it because it's going to involve seeing my own API key. Digital Drummer, what is up? You as well. Go. Okay, what to say? Keys, yep. Anthropic authentication. Don't leave it on default. Key provider. Configuration, key value. Okay, this is where I need to get my API key. Brum, brum, brum. Ooh, Game Boy camera again. Going to be nice and blurry. Okay. All right, now I can turn this off, I think. Okay, let's go back here and modules. Got that. Okay, config, admin, AI settings. AI. Okay, I'm going with Sonnet for all these. Additional API. We don't need any of that. Okay, now Whoops. That's on me, y'all. Maybe it isn't. Okay. Let's see. So that didn't seem to work. Let's back up here. Explorer requested. Let's look at reports.
JDDoesDev drinks Mountain Dew mixed with liquid rum and calls it breakfast.
Not anymore. It's gotten way, way, way too expensive. Is there a different module, maybe? Explorer. Let's install those. Okay. Did it tell me to install? Didn't say anything about the AI Explorer. So let's see if okay, perfect. All right, so we got that. Let's update it here. Excuse me. No. Oh, that's a good idea. I will shred. Ah. JDDev. Okay, got that. Now, okay, open the chat bot. Okay, okay, we're doing good here. Back to site. Let's hit dashboard. Where is the... Wait a minute. Okay, maybe I didn't do that. Y'all see me do that? Or am I just imagining things? Do we need to apply... Okay. Drupal CMS AI. Let's do that. Okay, so interesting. It's giving a free amazing trial. I don't really want to do that, but it shouldn't take away the key. Add. Add the Drupal CMS AI recipe to be part of the um okay, we're gonna check now. We got it here. All right, now let's make sure that I have keys here. Close out. Back to site. There's nothing here. I don't like that. But Okay, so I still have that. Provider settings. Anthropic, yes. Save that. Configuration AI. I'm not going to do that just yet. Although that isn't a bad thing. That's something that I had an idea for, for my whole, I want to make Drupal exciting thing, of using Drupal as a rag. Content agent.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders.
Stony, I want to have words with you.
You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders.
Welcome in, Raiders. Welcome in, Maybe. How was your stream? What were you up to? Tell me everything. And welcome also first time chat with the hot dog booty. Stony, I like the music that you play that, even the stuff that I don't suggest. Even the stuff I don't suggest. I like it. There's a naked monkey. Well, you're here for the PHP-ness, remember. You're all here for the PHP-ness. But Sony, I like the music you play. But here's the problem. I like the like cover ones, right? I like the covers, but I don't know which one of these has the covers. But dude, you got like so like you have a lot of stuff that's like covers but techno. You know what I'm saying? It's like EDM on top of really good 80s stuff. I don't know which one it is. Which one is it? Or can you just tell me something to start with? Publish it for me. And here I am thinking you did amazing things. But maybe tell me about your naked monkey. Touch the monkey. Touch it. And this might be it. The Stream Beats one, maybe. But welcome in, Raiders. Thank you so much. My count's been going down. I'm hoping that we start going up. And I appreciate you coming in. I really appreciate you coming in. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer, and I'm currently doing web development on Stream. I'm actually working on building out a hosting platform. It is called Creodrop. It is a hosting platform so that people who don't know how to code websites can make websites using Drupal. Right now, I just have joined the waitlist because I'm looking for people who are wanting to test, and I do definitely need non-technical people to test it out too. I'm getting to that point pretty quickly. My goal, my soft goal is March 23rd is when I want to have something that I feel feel good about sharing out to the world, because that's when DrupalCon America starts, DrupalCon NA. And I want to be able to go to DrupalCon and be like, hey, y'all, check me out. I am me, and me is I, and I am the one who is I am. And I am what I am, and that's all that I am. Um, but the way that it works, and I don't even know if I have it set up here. Do I have it started up? Ah, that's not what I want. Ah, the French champagne. No, I don't. Billy, yeah, it's also welcome in, Billy Noel. It's good to see you. So right now I've got most of what I need for testing available, mostly, but not completely. Let me get everything. CD, Pro, Docker Compose, DCU. So I've got it. I've got it to where you can start a site, or you can create an account. You can start a site. There I go. What I do? Did you just Discord me? What'd you do? I don't see anything. I need more context. Nice. So I'm guessing Remix Party is the one that you're doing quite a bit of. Ah, okay. Your top songs of 2025. Oh, let's see. Did I have any influence on this? These are some good songs, though. These are some really good songs. Wait, no, is this specific to me? No, this is made for me. It's not yours. It's me. Discover Weekly. Okay, this is made for you. Touch me. I want to feel dirty. All right, Remix Party. Here we go. So you can feel right at home. Just might. Who's this supposed to be? Look at all these new ones that are coming out here. Oh, yeah. Nah. Sorry, folks on YouTube. This has to happen. Bold choice, making it a two-syllable meow. Two-syllable meow. The meow, 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 instead of meow, 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 meow. That is a bold Bongo Cat choice. They are getting brave. Meow, 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 meow. Ooh. This. Number 30. Number 30, spaghetti code. Yeah. All right, all right, all right. All right, let's see here. There we go. I'll keep it around there for you. I just don't want it to be so loud. I should really do some ducking, but I don't know that I want to do ducking. Anyway, so what I'm working on now, oh, I got it all started. Panel. So when you start up, if you want to create a site, all you got to do, choose a site. Boom. I'm just going to call it that. We're going to choose this thing, create site. Boom, boom, boom. Now you have a site. Congratulations. You did it. Way to go. It's not going to open right off on my local until I add it into the host. I'm not going to do that right this second. But Stony, for the most part, I think that it's a pretty good balance. Especially because, and I don't mean this in the wrong way, because you have a lot of periods where you'll be extremely quiet for a while. Excuse me. What? I'm going to have to make a phone call here in a little bit. Some potentially questionable charges on my card. But anyway, you have a lot of periods where you don't do a lot of talking, which is fine, because you do have the music going, and you're not, as far as I know, you don't do a lot of dual streaming, so it's not silent on YouTube. The only place it would be silent would be on the VODs, if you have the VODs. I've never really checked. But I think it's a good balance. And I'm sure Duca, Marcy, myself, Kana, we'll be sure to tell you if like, hey, I can hear your voice too clearly. Can you turn the music up a little bit, please? See what I did there? All right, so we got this. Now, we go. Okay, so do that. I'm not sure what that does. Component agent. Page, yep. Yeah, give it some access here. Let's go to the configuration. Let's go to the AI agent. What do you do? Okay, so all right, we got some looping in here. That's great. Configure agents. Content type info. Okay, it looks like everything should be set up now. Let's check some more though. Prompts. No prompts yet. Huh. Yeah, set up configuration. Let's see what else we got here. Yep, I already got that. Installed image classification. That's cool. I haven't tried doing any project browser installations. Do I already have this module? No, it doesn't look like it. But this is taking quite a while to do. It's installing. Hmm. Did I up to 8.4 too soon? Maybe we'll pop back a little bit here. Providers, Anthropic, we've got that. Extensions, AI. Let's do that. Okay, we'll do that. Blocks. No, not that. Oh, wait, I didn't save it, so it's probably. What is going on here? Nope, I've got a thing going here. I just enabled using SDCs on what page was that? I hope you're gonna make you notice. Okay, now, excuse me. Okay. Oh, what the hell? What is up, props? Yes, you're here for the biggest PHP-ness around, or the most PHP-ness you can handle. Oh, there we go. Okay. This may already be fixed. Props. Did you see that I gave my talk? Did I tell you that? And I used a lot of what you said. It went really well. Hold on. YouTube. Yeah, I'm in the top 2. Ah. And the fact that Lowry, is it Lowry? Yeah, Lowry has slightly more views than I do. Does not matter. Lowry is like amazing and doing everything in Canvas. Doing all the Canvas stuff. But here's a talk. Let me grab a couple highlights here. 60% of devs learn. YouTubers who are just learning how to develop or learning new tech, 70.1%. And this is all coming from surveys. I didn't put the well, first one, not so bad. Honest truth. I want honest opinions. What do you think? I made sure that every time, it would be fun, let's ask other devs what their opinion of Drupal is. And I made sure that every time I asked, I was clear. This is not a trap. I'm not trying to trick you into saying something. I want to know the honest truth. I want honest opinions. What do you think? Well, first one, not so bad. General sense is I dislike Drupal. The module system is annoying, and dependency hell can happen quickly. Okay, that's acceptable. Another one went straight for the heart. PHP is garbage language for garbage people. This is from a .NET developer. That's from Thindall. PHP, Drupal, what year is it? Damn, Drupal, that's some old shit. And so these aren't meant to be discouraging to anybody here. Mm-hmm. They're meant to be a wake-up call. To new devs or to those who've only lived in JavaScript for their careers, we're invisible.
And then props, I did take some stuff here. Let me fast forward a bit here.
All developers, 60.5%. They're using YouTube. Public GitHub repos, visible. It's hard to be judged in 15 minutes if you aren't visible. Sir, it's hard to be judged in 15 minutes if you aren't visible. Once we're found, it's not really easy to see what we're offering. So I've got some screen grabs of Laravel, Statamic, and Drupal. So let's take a look at them.
Props, I used exactly what you suggested here.
Laravel, right off the bat, I regret using bright mode or light mode. You see code snippets. You see the UI in cloud.
Just a side note, it wasn't a projector screen. It was a fucking Jumbotron next to me. It was a like giant LED screen, like bigger than my green screen here. And so when when this screen popped up, it's like, flashbang, everybody fuck off.
And Forge, you see that right away. Statamic, above the fold, you see the UI. And if I'm mispronouncing it, maybe it's UI, but that was a bad joke. I really don't know how to pronounce Statamic or Statamic. And you don't even have to spin up anything. You go, it logs you in as David Hasselhoff, which is a dream of mine to be David Hasselhoff. And you get to play with a backend. And it tells you that you've got 30 minutes and it's going to disappear. And it has Back to the Future references. Us. It's not a bad looking site. But you go to try Drupal CMS, okay, another page. What do I do here? Try desktop app. Now I got to put in my username or I got to sign up for all this stuff. I don't have a job position. I'm looking. I'm trying to learn development. Why? Drupal.
So props, yeah, I took a lot of what you said to heart. A lot of what you said. And I used it, and somebody from the Drupal Association was there. Well, it made sense to me. It's not like you were being mean for the sake of being mean. You were saying stuff that made sense. That, like, you know. All right, I'm going to take a break too. I need more water. I'll be right back. I'm going to open up Windsurf. Whoa. Forget I did that. Yes. So now we're doing it like this. And I put myself inside a TV. It's very inspired by Space Ghost Coast to Coast. All right, back to coding. Back to Drupal plus Godot equals, huh? Dun, dun, dun. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Man on the moon. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey. My bullets are carrying me away. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm going to eat a lotta. Then I'm just going to keep streaming and do it again and 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 again. Look at that. No, 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 no. Da, 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 da. All right, back. So yeah, I took a lot of what you said to heart. Props. Somebody was there from the Drupal Association, the governing body behind Drupal.org, and shut up, maybe. And that's a fair opinion to have. Do you have a reason for it? Did it hurt you? Show me on the doll where it touched you. Well, look, okay. Yeah, Thindle gets the credit for the garbage language for garbage people. But so, I don't even need to pull that up. What am I thinking here? I can pull it up right here. I mean, now this is what the dashboard looks like. Or we can go to the AI dashboard and see, what other things we want to add in here. I'm not gonna. Oh, did I actually? No, it didn't. There was an issue there. It looks a lot better. And now, a lot of people hated it. A lot of people hated it, and that's a problem. That's a problem. Maybe that is a problem. That most people haven't touched it in 10 years. That's what my entire talk was about. And that's why I'm streaming this. That's why I'm building something new in Drupal. I mean, look. I hope this works. Otherwise, I haven't been able to get AI to work locally yet. I think that I have everything working here. Hold on. Let's do it here. What content types did we define for the Okay, let's see if it can find it. I'm sure that I have it in one of the docs. No, 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 no. We had a plan. Um, no, it's not in there. Um, where is it? It's not in there. There we go. There we go. There was an article, I believe. Come on, I know that we have it something. Okay, no, all right. It wasn't in there. Oh, did I have it separate in the theme? Okay, well, and component mockups here, service business. Nope, not there, just in mockups, right? Just in mockups. Article. All right, check out the mockup. Creo HG Bay mock. And create a prompt for me that will I can use in Drupal. Good field types. Ooh, who's here? Thank you for the follow, maybe. Names, field names, and other. I really hope that this works. I really, really, really hope this works. Oh, I did have a good slide about PHP as well, where Tricky, welcome in. Thank you for claiming first. Okay, come on. You can do better than this. All right, I'm starting to drop some frames again. Yesterday I dropped frames and it disconnected me when I was going to take a piss. Come on, come on. You're boring me here. It shouldn't take this long for what the hell is going on? Is it because my internet's slowing down? Is that why I'm having problems with this? All right, here we go. Let's try it out. All right. Do-do, ba-do. Yes. Build the complete content type. I mean, come on. This is great. Now it's working. It's great. I just don't know if this should keep going. What the hell? Fuck off. Okay, okay. Oh, I think I know what the problem is here. Ensure that none of the field names Tim Krabs, welcome back. Right. What was the error here? Yeah, everything working now, and I try to. Okay, okay. Let's see what's going on there, and then we're going to go back here. Okay, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Can I up? No. Wait, no. No, 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 no. Okay. There we go. Set the title equal to title. Wait, no. Okay. Can I? We're just going to copy this. Nope. Nope. Well, where the hell did it say it here? Okay, that's towards the top. Okay, let's try it now. All right, so we've got that going. Looks like the issue here is What the hell now? Okay. One moment. Hmm. Okay. So this is a problem. This. Oh, sorry. Sorry. What? No, not sorry. Because I do still have something open with. Can I add a workspace? And sorry, I just can't show this because right now it is um showing some potentially sensitive data. Wait, I can't change it. I want to change it. Yes, it's very sensitive because it was. I am listening to the same music. Yes. Oh, props. Good. It wasn't just me. Settings. Akbar. Bar. Hold on. Hold on. Brrr. There is an. All right, let me close that down so that I can actually show what I'm doing. Blur off. Hey, I'm not complaining. I don't care if people complain about the music. I like what I'm listening to. We're hitting a rate limit. Popcorn. Who wants some popcorn? Okay. Yeah, I am playing I'm definitely playing Stoney's playlist, and I'll prove it, you know? Well, maybe not. This is one that he is a public playlist that he sent over my way. But I mean, we could always. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. All right, so AI Agents Framework sends a lot of extra tokens with every request. You don't see all the tool. Now upgrade. Hold on again. What the hell? No, I don't want to do this. Why? Settings, billing, and upgrade. I don't. Everybody. Yeah. Okay, we'll chunk the prompt. Okay. Oh, what I should do. Well, let this finish up, and then a lot of stuff I can just do haiku. I don't need sonnet or anything too fancy here for just creating stuff. It's not writing out anything. It's not giving me instructions. It's just doing the thing. All right. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just getting angry. Okay, got that. All right, got that. All right, haiku should work for this, right? What the hell? I don't know, Rob. I should be, I think, but yeah, I'm having AI problems like just trying to get rate limit just for a simple here's a request. Create a content type. I set everything down to haiku. Simple chats were working, yeah. It's just like if I went to where the hell's a thing? Oh, okay. Content type. Where the hell? What the hell? Did I make like cardinal error of working with AI and didn't clear context? One moment. Core. Let's put on logging. All these. Nothing looks out of place for me. All right, let's see. Yeah, it could be. I mean, it just doesn't seem right though that it's such a simple request. Make field or make fields, and it's taking over 30,000 tokens. Oh, composer require AI. What is it? Have you seen it before? Drupal AI rate limit. Yeah, I'm updating that too. I mean, I'm using a dev, a fork of Canvas right now to get things to work because I'm concerned everything's going to be caught in committee until it just dies. Ah, shit. Right, there we go. No, I don't want to. Yeah, let's go haiku. Is there anything else that I need? I mean, I could create one that only does that, right? Like the assistant, and then could I choose? I don't know. I need to watch Mike's video on this. You know, that's what I just had. Excuse me. Agents. Content type agent. This is what. Content. Yeah, that. I don't know. A lot of these are like very. These are all the default instructions, though. Oh, let's see. Triple AI. Okay. Okay. It looks like I'm doing all the stuff here. Is on the button. This is the official documentation. This is the fucking documentation. Oh, okay. Now what was I doing here? Providers, default models. No, there. We did that. We do that. We do that. We do that. Logging is deprecated, so do that. Okay, we got that. Um, all right, let's save a couple things there. Well, the CMS agents that I'm looking at though are kind of are things that I'm gonna want to be able to use or let users be able to use. That's the problem. Like I want them to be able to use a template builder. Title generation, maybe not. All right, let's see. Orchestrator, yes. Component, yes. Okay. Let's see now. Oh, first. Content types. Get that. Okay. Okay, so it got this back. Right, it told me the detailed steps. Yes. Error occurred. Okay. Yeah. But I mean, error. Well, the content type is there. I've checked that. Okay, so it got them. It did those, but it... What the fuck? Marmalade Sound, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Juice token cost. No, that's not what I want to do. Oh. Okay, this is all well and good, but it says creating content types. Yeah, or adding fields to existing. TD, welcome in. Good to see you. All right, I'm gonna have to hop in. The AI channel. All right, I didn't take a break during the ads. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just frustrated. I need to walk away for a minute. I'll be right back. I really hope that I had that muted. My hand was right on the button. Did I not have that muted? Excuse me. Oh my god. I got it because I wanted a Jeep. I wanted something that I could take the top off of that wouldn't talk back. Dun dun dun. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Man on the moon. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. This is your nightmare. ID 10T. Yes. The moment I got there, oh, I was topless for 5 days straight. Oh, no wonder. It's on backwards. From the asset library, smart shit, smart shit 2D, smart shape 2D. Wow. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm gonna eat a lotta. When you wake, you're really going to be hungry. And you'll have dreams about somebody throwing pickles. Not at you, not at anybody you know, but just somebody, some random person, throwing pickles, maybe in the street, maybe from a building. But it will definitely be pickles thrown. It's as bad as ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. Well, for one, probably not the first time any of us have heard that was quick. And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go, bro. There. That's a skill that you learned. He's glitching. He's stuck. He is so stuck right now. It's amazing. It is. This is great. This is great. He's glitching out. Check this. Irad, are you okay there, buddy? You gonna be okay? Oh, wait a tick. I'm shaking up my bottle. We need to hold hands. Okay. All right, back. Not really feeling better. I mean, I'm looking at it here. $50K, 10K output tokens. I appreciate that, maybe. It's just, this is why. No, Sony, what were you asking about? Not Fool's Box. Do you know Full Box? Poolbox is a man in a box. Then I stole his idea and made it 3D. They might have improved it, but it's still shit limits. Oh, this is for the API platform. Excuse me. I'm using it for Drupal, at least trying to, but it's the rate limits are killing me. I'm waiting to hear back from people in the Drupal Slack about how to get around it, if at all. The thing is that it's Drupal is a very, very inclusive community, and that is a good thing. That's a very good thing. It's a great thing. I appreciate how inclusive the Drupal community is. But not every single topic in Drupal needs to have a channel for everything, for every group. I maybe this is just maybe I'm speaking out of turn. Well, TD, you did come here for my PHP-ness. Okay. Now here's the response headers for key recent log messages. There's that. All right. So here is another issue. Okay. We're up to 50,000. So it is using the right one. Jesus fucking Christ. I don't have the response headers though. Recent log. No, Stony only plays, that shitty Bongo Cat stuff and Spaghetti Code. I've told him several times, hey, Stony, you got to play something different. But he's just like, no, I'm going to play what I want. Right, meow. Oh, no. Yeah, that's AI settings. Okay. Let's do that. Let's take down the loop. Sure. Let's get rid of those. Okay. Okay. Then, oh, what now? The hell? This is so. What the hell does that even mean? This. Wait, that. What did it say? Oh, no. Configuration. Status report. What is going on with this? Mismatched entity and/or field definitions. What the fuck? You know, I know we want to keep up. We really want to keep up with everything, but releasing something that isn't ready for wide use doesn't do any favors. It doesn't tell me even what. I'll do better than that. I'm just gonna. Hell, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Where the hell are those? Where do those entities live? Ah, crap. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have AI Agents 1.3 beta. Pretty sure. I can't say. Yeah, 1.3 beta 1. I got all my AI stuff. I'm just. I'm just clearing everything out, and we're gonna start over. Everything but key. Okay. Now, da-ba-da. No answers on Drupal Slack. Okay. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Data. Why is Project Browser trying to load that? Why? Oh. Can I not? How the hell do I change this? Development, Project Browser. There. What the? Okay. This is giving me a headache. I think that it is time to rate out before I throw something. Maybe. Oh, Rob, the whole point though is for Creodrop, I want to have AI ready for people, for users to be like, hey, I want this. I want this to work. Granted, it does fall on them to use their own key. Bring your own key is going to be the thing. But if you can't even do like the big thing that I want it to be able to do is make components like code components for them for things that I don't think of, or for to make like a what the fuck is it called? Is it a layer? Not a layer. Is it a layer? It might be a layer. Pattern. Might be a pattern. Like be able to open up the AI here and say, hey, I would like you to make me a pattern that has uses a section and has the has an eyebrow, has a heading and text all in the heading area of the blah 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 blah, and then the grid blah blah. The fuck this doing? Delete that folder. Get that out of here. Okay. I can't even delete that. What the hell? The fuck? All right, yeah. Who am I gonna raid to? No, it is silly over there. Oh, I know where we're going. Yeah, Rob, I'm gonna keep working on it. Tomorrow I'll be back. We're gonna go over to Thindal. And I usually don't do a raid call, raid message, but for Thindal, if you got the emotes, that's where we're going. If you don't have the emotes, just whatever emote right before that. All right, I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully in a better mood. And we'll get some more shit done. Oh, this is at 20%, the hardest 20%.